Bitcoin dips below $26,000, Ether trades above $1,600. BitGet mandates KYC requirements in line with tightening global regulations. UK to spend $130 million on AI chips amid scramble to buy up computing power. Friend.tech generates over $1 million fees in 24 hours, surpassing Uniswap Bitcoin networks. NFT platform Record to shut down despite $50 million raise and big-name backers. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower in the beginning of the week as investors focused on macroeconomic cues due later this week. Bitcoin traded below $26,000 crucial level. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1% at 34,130 points. In interesting news, Friend.tech, a social app which operates on Coinbase's Layer 2 base and integrated with Twitter, which allows users to trade tokenized shares in others' profiles, has resulted in over $1.04 million in fees, set at 5% of the value of each transaction over the past 24 hours. Last week, cryptocurrencies suffered their worst losses in nearly 2 months, succumbing to broader financial market jitters amid bleak macro scenarios. Investors preferring risk-off trade resulted in Bitcoin and Ethereum prices recording sharp drops. Meanwhile, other altcoins such as BNB, XRP, ADA, Doge, SOL, etc. are moving higher on a daily scale. However, their price move could hardly boost investor sentiment. All eyes will be on the Jackson Hole meeting this week, which may clear the cloud on interest rate movement going forward. According to data from Sentiment, each holding an amazing 10 million to 1 billion XRP have emerged as one of the key players in the XRP space. These whales currently have a combined accumulation of 16.13 billion tokens valued at an astounding $8.71 billion. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.05 trillion mark, dropping 1% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased about 4.2% to $24.3 billion. Even in the times of NFTs prices dropping down, ordinal inscriptions have continued to dominate activity on the Bitcoin network. Out of the total 530,788 transactions on Bitcoin, ordinals accounted for 450,785 transactions in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, Avalanche token yield guild games, DAO, and the liquid staking protocol Lido token are all set to unlock tokens this week, which will further increase supply of the tokens available in the market, reports highlighted. US stock futures were trading higher as Wall Street tried to recover from another weekly decline. Futures tied to the S&P 500 gained 0.5%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose 128 points or 0.4%. Meanwhile, Nasdaq 100 futures climbed 0.6%. Bitcoin was trading at $25,940, down 0.7%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.3%, trading at $1,666. BNB was down by 3.3% to trade at $209. Solana SOL was down 4% and was trading at $21.1. Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.5% to trade at $0.26. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $10.5, lower 3%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2% to trade at $0.56. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3% at $0.062. Shiba Inu was trading down by 3.7%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, down by 4.7%. Polkadot was down by 1% to trade at $4.5.
And now back to the headlines. Seychelles-based cryptocurrency derivatives exchange BitGet is updating its Know Your Customer or KYC requirements for users to stay in step with global regulatory guidelines. According to the company, the new KYC requirements are being instituted to protect user rights and interests, shape a secure cryptocurrency trading environment, and comply with regulatory recommendations from various global watchdogs. BitGet will adjust its KYC verification requirements from September 2023, with newly registered users required to complete Level 1 KYC verification to access a variety of BitGet services, including deposits and trading of cryptocurrencies. Users that sign up to the platform before September 1 are required to complete KYC verification by October 1, 2023. The derivatives exchange notes that users who have not completed the process through September can still deposit, withdraw, or trade. However, from October, users that have not carried out the KYC verification process will be limited to withdrawals, cancel orders, redeem subscriptions, and closing positions, and they will be restricted from being able to create new trading orders. British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak is said to spend £100 million worth $130 million to buy thousands of computer chips to power artificial intelligence amid a global shortage and race for computing power. The United Kingdom aims to build an AI research resource by mid-2024 as part of Sunak's plan to make the country an AI tech hub. The government is reportedly sourcing chips from makers Nvidia, Intel, and AMD, and it is understood that the science funding body UK Research and Innovation, which is leading the effort, is in the late stages of ordering 5,000 Nvidia graphic processing units or GPUs. However, while $130 million has been allocated to the project, the funds are reportedly seen as insufficient to match Sunak's AI hub ambition, meaning government officials could pressure for more funding in an upcoming November AI Safety Summit. Friend.tech, a recently released decentralized social network, generated over $1 million in fees in 24 hours on August 19, outperforming established players in the crypto ecosystem, including Uniswap and the Bitcoin network. The platform was launched in beta version on August 11 and allows users to tokenize their social network by buying and selling shares of their connections, enabling a person who purchases another's share to send private messages to each other. The protocol reportedly charges a 5% fee on transactions, with the spread from trades representing the owner's profit. Built on Coinbase's Layer 2 base, the platform has seen considerable activity. According to data from DeFi Llama, Friend.tech generated $1.12 million in fees in 24 hours and $2.8 million since its launch. The total project revenue stands at $818,620, with over 650,000 transactions on the social platform and more than 60,000 unique traders. The NFT startup Recur said on Friday that its Web3 platform is winding down, unable to weather the chills of crypto winter despite hosting the IP of several big brands like Hello Kitty and Nickelodeon. Over the next several months, Recur's platform will steadily lose its core features, the firm said in a blog post. That includes the ability for users to withdraw NFTs from Recur, cash out stablecoin balances, and trade collectibles on Recur-hosted marketplaces. This decision has not been an easy one, the company said on Twitter, citing unforeseen challenges and shifts in the business landscape. Recur's announcement captures recent headwinds in the NFT space as companies navigate a downturn in the popularity of digital collectibles. Last July, Recur embarked on a jet-setting NFT experience with Hello Kitty and friends, only for its ambitions to be grounded a little more than a year later. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have XRP. Fourth largest cryptocurrency XRP's XRP Cafe, a top NFT marketplace on XRP Ledger, has shared important information regarding NFTs on XRPL. According to XRP Cafe, new XRPL amendments with improvements to NFTs are set to pass in less than 24 hours. This is because the set requirements have been met. The UNL vote has stayed above the required 80% threshold for almost 2 weeks. The NFT marketplace shares a screenshot of the amendments to be activated as per the leading explorer for XRP Ledger, XRP Scan. XRP was trading at $0.53, up 2.13% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $28 billion. XRP Ledger incorporates NFTs into its core protocol, eliminating the need for smart contracts for creation or transfer. XLS20 standardized NFTs in October 2022, introducing perks like royalties and anti-spam measures to prevent undesirable tokens. XRP Ledger enforces automatic royalties at the chain protocol level, protecting token issuers' rights. Since the introduction, total NFT transactions have grown every quarter, with an average daily transaction increasing by a 12.7% quarter-on-quarter. Moving on, Algorand is a proof-of-stake-based Layer 1 blockchain launched in June 2019. The blockchain was previously regarded as great technology by the US Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Gary Gensler. However, in the last few months, the token has suffered a significant downturn, likely due to its proximity to two high-profile lawsuits. Algorand was trading at $0.09, 0.82% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $749 million. The SEC initially claimed Algo was a security when it filed charges against crypto exchange Bittrex in April. The US regulator again mentioned Algo in fresh lawsuits brought against Binance in June 2023, sending the token to historically low levels. Next on the list, we have Solana. Non-fungible tokens failed to take off in 2023. Unlike its fungible counterparts, sales volume has hit historic lows, with implosions like the Azuki fiasco severely impeding its growth. Solana's NFT ecosystem was also at the receiving end of the negative sentiment, registering a decline in several key performance indicators. Solana was trading at $21.24, down near 2% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $8 billion. Solana has become the second largest blockchain for NFTs, with sales volume exceeding $1.5 million in the last 24 hours. The platform logged $9.8 million transactions compared to Polygon's $8.7 million. This surge may be attributed to the popular gaming-based NFT collection, the Heist, Orangutans, which renewed for a second season. The digital assets market's trajectory is aptly described by the adage, one moment down, another moment up. Next on the list, we have BNB. Before Bitcoin's August 17th flash crash, BNB traded above the $240 range despite Binance's legal tussles across several jurisdictions. However, the prevailing market conditions sent the asset's value to a yearly low of $215 on August 19th. BNB was trading at $214, down 0.61% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $33 billion. A bearish trend was observed in BNB's price movement in July. Before its crash, the exchange token's funding rates have fallen to negative territory. BNB has faced significant headwinds due to the issues with Binance. The SEC classified the asset as a security in its lawsuit against the crypto firm. Investors have resisted this label, but demand for BNB has suffered. The decline in BNB price can be linked to decreased on-chain activity on Binance Smart Chain, a Layer 1 smart contract blockchain. DeFi activities have dropped, with weekly exchange volumes dropping to $2.34 billion and the total asset value on the network falling by 87% to $2.84 billion. Last on the list, we have Arbitrum. As per Nansen's report, Arbitrum quarterly report for Q2 2023 highlights the Arbitrum airdrop on March 23, 2023, leading to a peak in users and transactions. Since then, daily transactions and user numbers have consistently exceeded the chain's past averages. Arbitrum, an Ethereum roll-up hosting asset valued at $5.77 billion, maintained by its momentum by enhancing infrastructure and advancing its ecosystem throughout Q2. Arbitrum was trading at $1.02, down 0.04% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Following the ARB airdrop, activity levels for the native token and its ecosystem projects surpassed pre-airdrop figures, showcasing Arbitrum's strength and flourishing ecosystem. The influx of new users highlights the token's success.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.